need to try to get into Addie's room. I'm determined to get in there. Okay.